which can give you breakout of daily sell and buy. For intraday, you can find this very convenient multiple exit and multiple entry. Only thing is that you need to do this with small quantities. You try for 1 month. Don't go for very big profits, but still with your brokerage charges and your time spent, you can make a uh, simple uh, around 500 to 1000 per day on investment of 25 to 50K. I'll just give you an example how you can uh, calculate the charges. So I am taking a discount broker. So I will tell you the way how you have to know what is your expenses and what is your trade expenses. So I'll go for a brokerage calculator. So the stock which I am going to um, do is for intraday, that is SBN. So for SBN from June June 1st, the leverages for intraday are going to be decreased to 6 times. Previously it was Previously it was 10 times. What is that 10 times means? If SBI is trading at 400, the broker will give you 10 times exposure. That means for buying one SBI share, I don't need to have 400 rupees. Now 400 rupees is the cost price of SBI in one share. So if previously till May 31st, I'll give 10 times exposure. So for buying one share on intraday basis, I require 400 divided by 10. So 40 is the intraday margin to buy one SBI share cost of 400. That means 10 times. So since June 1st, this is going to change. It is coming around 6.5. 6.5 means 6.5 times exposure. So instead of 40 rupees, I will get, okay. Now let's not take 400. I will just take 420, almost closing price divided by 6.5. So it cost me, for buying one share, I should have 6.5 rupees in my account. So let's say I am having 25,000. So I will divide it by 6.5. It will give me how many shares I can buy. Sorry, just wrong calculation. Instead, I will do what I will do. So, made a mistake. So I have 25,000. I will get 6 times exposure. Okay. That means the broker will give me 6 times of what capital I have to trade for intraday. So I am having 25,000 my money. Broker will give 6 times exposure. That means 1,50,000 I can trade. Right. So each share is 420. So let me divide it by 4. So I can buy 357 shares of SBI if I am having 25,000 capital. But in actual, so 350. So just let me put 350. You have to understand one thing, that if you want to carry forward this, how much shares you can buy. Now I am only explaining about intraday to just tell you guys what is the difference. So if you have 25,000, you can only buy 59 shares. and the movement will be same for intraday and carry forward. Carry forward charges are little bit more, that I will explain. So I will put you both. So this is 350. So I am buying. How to calculate what are the cost involved for this? You just put buy and sell price same, means 0 0. It will give you what is the difference. So you have bought at 420 and sold at 420. No loss, no gain. You may be thinking, but there are charges here. That is around 100 rupees roughly. 78 to be precise. Okay, same thing if you are doing for delivery. Same I am telling 350. So do you understood? 78 rupees for intraday, but in net you are going to do this for 328. So what I will do, to just show you there is no much difference. So I will multiply this quantity 350 into 6. So 2100. So let me change this to intraday. Okay. So you understood the difference there. However, the broker, only by seeing calculation, he will think that brokerage is less for intraday. It's not like that. The quantity also will be like that. It based on the turnover. This delivery 350, you just multiply 6 times. So nowhere. But only thing is that if you do in a disciplined way, now we'll back to the discussion. 350 I have got. So for me to get in no profit loss is for 350 quantity I trade, I have to pay around 78 rupees. Okay, from my pocket. So 78 rupees. So to make it 0 0 with no loss, how much points I have to need to gain in SBA is, if I am buying at 420, if I sell at 420.25, only I will be with 0 0. And one more thing I will explain. For intraday, you need to check this one. Means with a 25,000, how many times you can do intraday? Intraday trade you can do every 5 seconds or 1 minute, as long as you want to buy or sell. There is no restriction. So each trade you have to get zero point 0.2 points, 0.25 points. Right? So I'll just show you, to show what is the price movement in a day. You go to investing.com. Here you go on this website open. You go to historical data. In historical data, it gives day by day what is the price movement. You can see here high is 433, low is 420, and closing is here. Okay. So in every day, if you see the movement, okay, I'll do one more thing. I'll just download this data. I'll show you what is the movement, whether we can make any profit. So day range, I will say equal to high minus low. Okay. So the SPA stock movement is per day, one day 13, 17, 7, 7, 13, 13, 13. So you can see minimum it is about 5 rupees range. So what we require is to be profit or not, to be safeguard our capital, I need only 0.25 points, right? So in a range of this is day range. Let's say it is going from uh, uh, opening price to high price to low price. So I will take this day range mean means just a center. How many? Equal to divided by 2 means each side how much it will move, because in intraday we will do buy sell. So here minimum is I can see 4 rupees. So if I am getting in 4 5 trades 2 3 points also, I will be making 350 into in each trade. If I get 1 to 1.5, so 1.5 into 4 trades, you can do 100 trades, but I am just telling. But making instead of 1.5, you can I will show you in chart how it behaves. So you are going to make 2,100 rupees in this brokerage charges. 78, right? 78 into 4, 312, 1788. So per day 1788. Same way if you make for 1 month, 20 trading days, your capital will be more than your this one. Capital is 25,000. So the ratio, so you are getting 1.4 percentage. 1 per for 8 is 1.4 times. That means 143% returns you can make. In this, what happens basically, I will go back to the uh, we go back to the chart. I will explain you how we can make. So I will search for, okay, this site you can later I will explain. We will only talk about SBN because for intraday the SBA is giving plus or minus 4 points minimum on every day. So even you don't target for 4 points in one side, but intraday buy sell you can do many number of times. So that's what I am going to share here. There are other things in this chart, so I will hide all those things. I go to pull more now. This is, let me take one day. So this is 1 day chart. As you see, market opened here. I remember because I was in front of terminal. The market opened around 429 and at 9:15 it went on fall. Okay. So in this chart I have indicators, that is RSI, then super trend. In super trend it will give buy and sell signal automatically. So let's say the first 2 hours if it is volatile, let's say will not do it. Okay. So here we observe this is around 9:30, 9:45. Okay, the stock is trading at 428, but the sell signal came around 427.85. Even it is 427.50 means you observe that the signal came. So maybe you are losing point to point 427.55. you sell it. Okay, I'll make a note here. Buy, sell, buy, I put here, sell, I put here. Quantity will be 350 as per your capital every time. So when sell signal came, because we cannot just jump and hit when sell. So I will take 427.60. So keep on moving. Okay. Then here it says buy exactly. This I will explain when it comes. So it is 424.65. After this buy signal came also, after reading or seeing this only, you are going to do. But still it went lower here. So it is 424.45. So how much points profit we made? This is a huge profit, but I will tell you, don't fall for this. Total profit 350 into this one. This I am telling for traders who don't know anything, they are fresh, they have done something, but still they are losing. Okay. This one we completed, we finished. Then again we'll go for the, we'll leave for 1 or 2 hours. Then we'll wait for the right entry. Here there is a one right entry. 421.75. It is linked by at this place. Sorry, not 420. So here if I go, the entry is not 420. It's coming around 423. After sell signal came, it has gone down, so I will take it as order placing 423. Next sell signal came, it is indicated here 420, 455. I will put 424. Profit 1.2. 358. So yeah, 1522 is the profit with Q2 trade patterns. Okay. Here, what I want to employ is don't go for this much big after seeing this chart. We need only 0.25 as a expense, whatever you pay brokerage charges. Even I will just change this. If you have even for each trade 1 rupee, not 1 rupee, I will take only very small range, zero point 0.8 paisa, zero point 0.8 rupees, that is 80 paisa. For this also, still you will make 560 rupees after paying off your brokerage charges. Okay. When you see the screen, you can see how many entries and exit are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 entries are there. So if you make 7 trades and you are making zero point 0.8 profit every time into 350 quantity, you will make 1960. So here you see it was 3 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupees, even 5 rupees. Don't wait for that. Just observe this and we can do intraday whenever this sell signal gains in tradingview.com. This is a very useful. Okay, I'll go to some other things on this. and it is a very beautiful charting software. You can see, maybe I will go to one day. You can zoom and also see for clarity. In live, I will show once again on a this one share trading depends on the people who want to take profit. But what I am saying here, I have some knowledge, some technical charts, not fully, but still you are incurring losses. These are all time tested methods. There are so many other methods in this. You can see. Okay. If you want to see time frame, 45 minutes, you can see here. You can see very clearly. I'll take 5-day chart on 45 minutes. Interval is 45 minutes. This is 5-day chart for longer this one. So I selected 5-day 45. You can see one buy has come at 352. That means this is even started from April until 352. This is not for intraday. So here sell signal came 370. That is 22 points. So here you are making zero point 0.8 point. So when you go for a not for a day trade, you are going for invest also. Even you are holding for 2 3 days also, you should get 10 times return, right? So zero point 0.8 into 10 is 8. So here you are getting 353. Sell is now 370. This is 20 points. Even if you get 8 points in a swing trade, that is 1 week, 10 days, 15 days like that. This will be equivalent to your intraday. So there is a different type of things. Okay, the movement will be big. So same way, presently buy, sell over, buy, sell over, buy, sell over, buy, sell over here. Here it has given buy. After that, no sell call has came for 5-day chart. The buy is here on 346. After that, as per this chart, there is some sign shown here. This is on 27th May. I don't know. I need to check out this. RSI Bollinger Band 2. I am not this one. Okay, but here there is no set signal. So the people who follow this for the investment type or swing trading means just 3 4 days or maybe it extends. So the people who bought at 346, they are sitting with big profit with 420. So this is one thing. Then you go here, stock screener. You can see similar uh, this one screener means it will show you which are in parallel with SPI performance, extend the margins, the dividend incomes, this and all you can see. Okay, let me see the performance. Here it will show 1 minute change, 5 minute change. You can have 4 5 stocks and just compare what is it. 1 week change, 1 month change like that to get an idea how Kotak Bank is doing, how SBI is doing, budget, similar types of, or we can add it. Text notes, I am not this one. I need it, I don't know, strategy tester. Here you can select the here different strategies are given. I follow this strategy. Here you can see performance of this. Uh, how to take means This is started from 2019, I think. Um, okay, so this is telling for longs. It's not for this one. So we'll just pick up trade near this one. Okay. Um, Here it has not come, but let me check. This is for futures. So what he says on 15/3, little bit confusing. Okay, on 15/03, entry long at 3 o'clock. On 15th March, he brought at entry long 381.35, and he signal give this chart signal gave exit long at 4:13. We can see 13 plus 20, 33 rupees is the profit. Lot size of SBI is 1500, but you can compare same thing to stock. There will be 1 or 2 rupee difference. That is not a big thing. So here you can see he made almost 32 rupees. Okay, it is around 3000 into 32. It is 96,000. Okay. The investment will not be 25,000. Margin for taking SBI is big. I'll just show you how much margin is required just to give you an idea. But don't do it, small players. SBI and 1500 quantity margin required is 1 lakh in 609. This is for MIS, but we didn't tell for MIS, so normal margin will be 2 lakh 24,659. So it's a big one. What I was telling about was stock. Okay. So just you have to follow this strategy. No need for you to have big thing. I can show you different this one, which is volatile. Just to website. Yeah. Remember this tradingview.com India website. So I will check for Steel Authority India futures. I am selecting means I will give you an example for this also. You need to set for intraday, you need to select the stocks which are volatile, which give. So I will tell you this history. So I will keep this historical data here. So again I will download this. Same thing what we did to SBI. To day range. I minus 655. Average means movement divided by 2. So 3.275. You need only zero point 0.2 points and zero point 0.8 as a this one. So like this stock, if you take only, you can do a day trade and you can have minimum 500 to will with 25,000 you can earn 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. So you can see the day range lesser we take at least 2.9 only 1.7. Okay, so let's go to the chart and check out how sale can made profit. Okay, so this is a long one. I will go to intraday one day. One day, The first order came here. So around 126.35. One, this is intraday I am telling you. 126.35. This is around 957. Then here came buy signal 124.60. Roughly I am telling 2 points. Then again sell signal came at 125.75. 125, 120. Again 2 rupees. Then there is no call. Again sell signal came 124.20. Then here 123.85, just 40 points. Okay, that's all. Then again in the same range 124.40 sell. Then here 123. So if you see, these are all having minimum 1 to 2 rupees. So if you have taken one, buy sell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 1, 7, 7 points you could make. 7 trades you could make. Here the price is very less. So price is, let's say 126. You have 25,000. How much you can buy on intraday? Infra is equal to infra is equal to 6 times is so what I can buy 1190. Imagine you are making 7 points minimum. What I told you is 2 to 2.5 points 7 rates. That will do 14, but we don't want that. We want only 0.8 to 1 rupees. So 7 rupees we made of 7 trades. 7 into we make 8,033. So any intraday, if you are there, you go to this site and put this strategy, and it can. This is super trend strategy. This automatically come. How to do it? Indicator templates if you want for others. Since nothing is trading, mm, let me uh, tell you. Let us backtest this. So I got it. On India it will come now. Bitcoin is trading. Let's check Bitcoin directly and do the backtesting. Bitcoin futures, because still now I done, since I wanted to explain only. So this is live only because this is 24 hours. I can explain you. But is running. Today's range is 35, 6, 37, 227. Here you just forget that what is the profit or loss. You just think that you are having 40,000 rupees and you are buying one future lot which is having 1,000 shares. Okay, so we'll just as a complete one 40,000 you bought one future lot which is equivalent to 36 to 37 range. Okay, so for that will be roughly like 36,000. 30 to be round off, we'll put as we'll take it as a 37,000. Okay, so it will be easy. So we go to this chart. This is 24 hours running. Let me see from intraday. how much it has come. Okay, one day. So this is one day. You can see in Bitcoin, this thing is very heavy. I don't know when 1 second also applies. Yes, it applies. For one day that applies. Yes, no, 1 second is not taken. Okay. Really, it is RSIBB, maybe -2. Little bit confusing because I have not tracked from morning or evening. This is 24-hour market. Since it is happening live, so let me say a sell signal is generated here. So 133, 29, 155. You see 36, 345, 35, 7. It's almost 500 points. So it is being, this chart is being generated, signal is being generated online only every time it moves. So if you think it is 36,355 or just make it less, 36,310 it has come. Till now it has given almost 800 to 900 points. Okay, like this you can track and you can trade even in Bitcoin also. Before putting money, just on Monday, Tuesday, whenever market is there, you go for the most volatile stocks and check and do intraday and first backtest for a few days if you want. There's no, but already I have seen that it is effective. Only you should be your this trading page should be open in one angle and you can do on mobile also. You can screen the stocks here also. You can add here also. Watch this. You can see like this. Whenever this there, mobile will give buy and sell order. When this order triggers, you just exit. So remember that don't go for 2, 3 rupees and let it fall. You just follow these signals of when it says buy, just buy. Don't wait, it will come down like just buy because you need only zero point 0.8 to 1 point. Actually, it give 1.52. You exit the trade when the sell signal come with point 0.2 this one like that. So thank you guys for watching. If anyone found useful, please let me know in the comment box. Or you want me to analyze any other stock, let me know.